is Dewey's looking at
You say it like
Djinn.
Calazir.
How do you say it? Dijon mustard? Djinn. Djinn
Djinn.
figure, but
Just say Djinn. Djinn.
so when you made your first Djinn custom, is this what you had in mind?
I couldn't have imagined it to be.
You couldn't have, huh?
As cool as it came out.
Yours was pretty cool, but I just have to see it's got you beat by a little bit.
I am happy to admit that is true.
The whole time I was in France, never.
But they're both blue, and they're both awesome. And then here is the magical lamp with a tiny little chain. And some purple magical effects. And is this a bigger body?
Yes.
The brute-sized body?
Yeah, that's
that comes with the centaur.
Yeah. It's
Oh, wow.
like a scale between the overscale and the 1.0.
Okay. And this here sword is like one of my favorites, I think, because it's got that dragon skull for the hilt, and then the fiery design coming out.
Bill Joe. Is Adam Power doing a review of the figures without us knowing?
Who's Adam Power?